Yeah.
They got upset, approached me and everything, and one of the employees sprayed me with some sort of liquid. It could have been water, could have been chemicals, I don't know.
Okay.
Pissed me off, and I want, you know, something. How would you feel about that? If that happened to you? So.
Yeah, I'd be pretty upset.
Yeah.
Do you know who it was?
Yeah. I call him Blue Shirt. Daren, he's the guy in the blue shirt.
Okay.
What does he want done?
I don't know. That's fine. Like on a fish charge, put it in battery, water. Assault? Not really assault.
Yeah, maybe just to see why. We'll just do a report, but we're not.
Yeah, charge anyway.
Hey, you're right here. This is where they came out of.
Okay.
This is part of like the water and stuff. It dried up, but it was like a lot of water.
Okay.
I honestly wouldn't even care if they hadn't done that. People approach me all the time, but they can't be spraying people.
Yeah, I understand.
I think he's bald and he has a blue shirt. That's all. Blue jeans.
Are you regarding this incident or no?
What's that?
Are you like regarding this incident?
Regarding?
Yeah.
Is that why I'm out here?
Yeah.
Let's go talk inside.
I'll talk with them and then I'll be with her.
Okay, you want to hang out for a little bit?
Yep, I'm here.
Alright. Stand by, okay? Alright, you Mark?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to call, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, how can I help you?
Well, I mean, come on, you know why you can help me.
Well, what do you tell him happened?
So I'm just told he was on our private property, and this is proprietary equipment. A lot of this is owned by people that don't want other people to see it, and everyone's asked him to leave. And you know, he keeps talking his shit. Anyone asks him to leave, he just talks his shit, and you know, that's it. What else is there?
He's telling me that somebody threw water at him, or sprayed water at him?
He sprayed water at the fence. I don't know if it got, I mean, is he wet? I don't know.
Well, I didn't notice anything.
Yeah, I didn't either. I think he stepped away from the fence. I believe it's wet.
Okay.
Is this just a normal thing we gotta deal with, and this is all cool, or? Yeah.
Okay. So he wants to press charges against the person who threw water at them.
Right?
Yeah, that's true. Well, what do you want?
But don't you have to be wet in order to press charges for getting wet? Or?
Well, I'll document that on my report. That when I observed him, I didn't see anything wet, so that'll go on the report, and we'll let the DA deal with it.
Alright, so this is cool.
Huh? I'm sorry?
This is alright?
I mean, he's on private. He's not on private property.
Well, I was told he was in the driveway when he.
Okay.
Which is private property.
Okay. Well, right now he's on the sidewalk.
Right.
I can't tell him to leave.
Okay.
I mean, yes, there's a fence, but you can see only halfway. It's only blocked, not all the way through.
Yeah.
You can lift anything above the fence as long as you're in public place, and you can record it anywhere.
So what you're saying is this is all good?
Yes. Yes. I cannot force him to leave because he's on public sidewalk. If he does come into your property, which I don't know where it starts. I'm not sure if it
starts at the sidewalk, right?
Yes. So if he gets to your property, then yes, he will come out here again.
Well,
and
I was told he was already there. That's not trespassing.
Well, he just left.
Well, I get that, but he was trespassing.
Well, yes.
So we can't press charges for that?
I'll look at the sign and see if it says anything about not being on private property. Like, you cannot be on private property.
All it says is no parking.
Okay, so nothing says, there says
no trespassing?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so there's you need to put a sign that says no trespassing beyond this point. If that's the case, then yes, we can cite him. But at this moment, no.
Alright.
Yeah.
It's frustrating.
No, I see what the whole game is. I told my guys to settle down when this first. I see what he's doing. He's just trying to.
Yeah, like right now he's trying to get a reaction out of us.
I know that.
And we're not gonna play into that game.
I know you guys are much better at it, and you know my guys came in all worked up when I came out. What's going on?
Yeah.
No, I figured out the game in about a minute. But
yeah, like right now he's live. That's what he's telling me. I'm live right now. I'm recording you guys. He asked for our batch numbers.
But when I did tell 911, and I'm getting I'm sure he's recording this, but I'm getting phone calls from his partner. These are all harassing phone calls right here.
From his partner?
Yeah. He's saying the guy in the blue shirt's going to get arrested. Put the guy in the blue shirt on the phone. So if there's anything we can do about pressing charges for any of this, I'd be happy to do that.
So you can't really
see how many times he's called me in the last 20 minutes.
You could block his number. That's what I recommend.
I did that, but for some reason he's able to still come through. I blocked his number on the first freaking phone call, and I still got all of those. Check us out. It even says unblocked number when I unblock this caller, but it's blocked. But it's still coming through because they got some bullshit. Obviously, this guy ain't in He ain't in Newburgh, New York, calling
Yeah,
him
I'm
busy.
sure they have,
So,
they have some
bullshit.
app.
Yeah, but we can't do anything about that, huh? Harassing.
Yeah,
phone
so
calls?
I don't know who it is. I mean,
No, I
I
know
need to
that,
contact
but like,
the guy.
you guys can't do anything about harassing phone calls, or can you?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a report based on what happened.
You live on Manfred, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember you. You used to live over there on the front of you.
Yeah. Right on.
Your sister's a teacher?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm glad I thought I recognized you, but well, we went with the two
Hey,
friends.
from code 4.
What we're gonna end up doing is we'll take a report. We're gonna document what you're telling us. We're gonna document what you're telling us.
So a guy did spray the fence with water. I didn't see any of the water go through the fence and touch him, but I'm sure he's going to.
That's where these come from.
This guy's calling me again, the number that I tried to block. So,
I'll answer.
like I said.
Oh, I'm sure
he's
it's gonna
hang
be the
up on
guy.
you.
Hello, this is Officer Rios, Watsonville Police. Hello?
Yeah, he's been doing that for about the last 8 phone calls. So. There's nothing that can be done about that.
Yeah, well, like I said,
Well, we'll just document it.
I know, and they're going to lose interest in us once we start ignoring them, and it'll go away in a few days. But I mean, obviously, I don't want the guy that was spraying a fucking water hose at the fence. He's not going to have to get arrested for that. I think ticket or something. That's kind of bullshit.
Let me talk to my supervisor, but at this point, what I'm thinking is just writing a report. Okay, this is what happened. This is what he's claiming. This is what you get.
I'll show you what I'm claiming.
Yeah.
This is what I'm getting. Every single minute harassment. I'm sure somebody can trace this phone call. What if this was a child molester or something? I'm not expecting you guys to put the detective force at this, but come on, this is ridiculous. I know you guys get it. I heard this guy has a website. He puts this shit on YouTube and he gets off on it. You know?
It's live right now, I guess.
Yeah, and people enjoy this.
Yeah.
That's cool. All right. So are we done, or you guys
Let me get your first and last name.
It's Mark. M-A-R-K.
Date of birth? 7.
I'm sure he's recording all this. So.
Yeah. Phone number? And you're the manager?
Yeah.
Were you out here when your employee sprayed the water on the fence or no?
Yes. And that's why I said I didn't see any of it go through the fence.
Okay.
So
you guys saw him? He was out there just recording.
Oh, he's just been harassing him. But yeah, they asked him to leave, and then he started saying you can't. You know, he started getting mouthy with everybody, and everybody's been telling him to leave. And yeah, he's just harassing them. You know.
Okay. So he just has to leave, then your employee just sprayed water or whatever, and then he just came back in. That's it.
That was all I saw. Yeah.
Okay.
I was in a meeting, and they called me out of my meeting. I came out here for 1 minute, so I was only out here for about 1 minute. I'm sure he's got a video of the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm sure he does.
Yeah.
He was recording it.
Anything else?
Just want to talk to your employee. Just get his first and last name. The one who, the blue shirt guy.
How often is this guy do this bullshit?
Yeah, he
Nice.
does it a lot.
Nice. He's over there, right there by that red wall. He's bending over right now.
All right, thank you. How you doing, sir?
How you doing?
You mind if I ask you a couple questions?
Sure.
Hi, I was told you're the one who sprayed water on the guy.
I was the one that sprayed water.
That's what I was told.
Who told you that I did that?
Your manager told me,
My
sir.
manager told me that.
Yeah, can I get your first and last name, please?
I didn't spray him with water.
Yeah, I'll talk to the manager.
I sprayed the fence.
What's your first and last
Sprayed the
name?
lawn. He just happened to be on the other side.
Okay.
Oh, I don't care if he is, but he could back up pretty easy.
Yeah, so sprayed fence and lawn,
Yeah.
and he happened to be there.
He happened to be on the other side of it.
Was it your intention to get him wet?
Absolutely not.
Okay. Were you already watering the waters when he showed up?
No, I was not.
Okay.
No,
Do you usually water
I
the
don't know.
plants around
Actually, I
this time?
didn't see him on the other side when I started spraying.
Okay.
Until he put his camera over the top of the fence at me.
Oh, okay.
The fence has slats on it, so.
Alright. So you just went out there to water the plants and he happened to be there?
And the lawn, yes.
Perfect. First and last name, sir?
Eli, E-L-I.
E-L-I.
S-E-U.
S-E-U. Yeah. So,
No, the first name. E-L-I-S-E-U. Yes.
okay. Date of birth. Phone number? And you work here? Obviously. I think that's it. So apparently the guy wants to press charges against you for watering him.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah. So I'll just write it up. I'll send it to the DA. I'm sure it's gonna go nowhere.
Absolutely.
But I have to
Contact
document it.
the FBI and
Yeah.
CIA and
But I have to document it.
he started right away. He said, "Hey, you sprayed me with a chemical."
Yeah.
I'm gardening the plant. I told him I'm watering the plants. I'm watering my lawn. And I just hosed the fence a little
Right.
bit.
Let me
You
take
don't like it?
Let me take a picture of
told him
you.
to get back.
Showed it to him.
I even told him to get back if you wanted, if you didn't like it.
Thank you, sir.
If you
Thank
go
you so
out there and
much.
look at the hose, it's a very small hose. It barely reaches the fence.
That's fine. Thank you. Oh, just from here. The employee work address.
Hey, yeah, so the guy who's spraying the water open is going to head over here.
Oh, okay. Do you want me to continue the investigation or?
Would you be able to show us the video?
I can't. I'm live right now. So
I know.
I can't.
So here's the thing, man. Right now it's your word against his word, and he's claiming that he's watering his plants. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take a police report, unfortunately, based on what happened. We're gonna send it off to the district attorney, and they're gonna determine if charges are gonna be filed on him. Okay?
And if I were to show you the video, would
That-
that expedite things?
Well, maybe if
Maybe.
we could see what was going on.
Because I would need to shut off the live, go back, and
Well, like I said, I'm gonna try to get that video. You said it's on YouTube?
yeah, it's on YouTube.
You have like a business card that I can.
No, I don't.
What's the website?
You know what? You guys got my info. You're not gonna do anything. Whatever.
I'm trying to help you out, but if you want to walk away, that's up to
thing.
you. So let me ask you this: do you want us to take a police
Yes,
report?
I wanted. I told you I wanted to press
perfect.
charge. I wouldn't have given you my information if I knew you were gonna do nothing.
So I'm asking you now: can I see the video?
No.
Okay. So we'll just document it on a police report. And send it off to the DA.
He's not gonna get arrested today. Not citation. Nothing.
So Gabriel, what I'm seeing, I mean, at any point does he like intentionally point the water at you and like get you wet, or is
The whole time.
from what I'm seeing, reviewing the video, it seems like he's pointing the grass towards the plant.
Dang. This guy's spraying some shit at me. He's spraying shit at me.
Just watering my plants, man. I gotta water my
This guy's spraying shit at me. I'll be sure to show that to the police. I'll be sure to show that to the police. I'll show it to the police, guy.
Go ahead and show it to the police. Ooh, I'm so scared. Watering my lawn. Back the f up. You got legs, don't you?
No, he was aiming it at the fence. It never even hit the plants. He aimed it at the fence, right here, which I was on the other side of.
Okay.
So the whole time, he was aiming it at me on the other side of the fence. It didn't even touch the ground, the water stream. Come on, guys. I just really don't want this guy to get away with this, dude. It's not okay.
And it's
I don't even know if it was water.
okay. So
Can you at least make him apologize, and I'll just... Can you just tell him to come out and apologize? We can just be on our way.
Is that going to resolve this issue?
You guys already have my info. Yeah, I'll be on my way. But this guy needs to come out and apologize to me.
I don't know if he's going to agree to that.
If he doesn't agree, let's continue on with the legally.
All right. I can ask. If I tell him, hey, if you're willing to apologize for your actions, are you going to withdraw your...
Drop it.
What's that?
I'm going to drop it, yeah.
Okay. That's pretty civil.
If he apologizes.
Okay. Let me talk to him.
Mr. Eli? Hi, it's me again. Hi, so apparently the guy, he said he's willing to drop the charges if you are willing to apologize.
Absolutely not.
No?
Absolutely not.
Nothing? Perfect. Thank you.
Absolutely not.
Thank you so much, sir.
There's no way not.
Thank you. Got it.
Water and lawn?
That good.
Nothing to apologize about.
Thank you. That's all I need to know.
He doesn't want to come out.
Okay.
Yeah. So
No problem.
you want to proceed forward with the whole?
I do. If he's not willing to accept, you know,
Okay.
anything like that.
So you have our case number. You have all of our contact information. Is there anything else we can help you with?
No. Got Rios. Would you guys mind writing your names on here too?
I'll give you one of my photos.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right,
Any
guys.
questions?
No. Continue. Good.
Cool.
All right.
All right, man. You have a good day.
Have a good day.